All right, for the chicken, first thing you guys need to do, get your chicken, put it on a half sheet pan or a tray, add some oil, and then just kind of get all the oil on there. You don't need to season it. I would probably put some gloves on. And then you want to get it into the oven. So about at least 10 to 12 minutes it must be cooked. So just make sure that the internal cooking temperature is at 165. All right, bring your water to a rolling boil. Add some salt, about a tablespoon. Add your pasta. Here's the trick to the pasta. Bring it up to a rolling boil. Once it starts to go to a rolling boil, then you're going to turn it off. Okay, you don't need to continue boiling it, because what happens with this rotini pasta, as it boils, it will hit each other and then it'll kind of break them. So you want to get it to a nice, good boil here, and then give it a stir. Once it gets to that rolling boil, turn it off. Okay, and then this way it'll cook. You might need to go for about 10 minutes into the water, but do make sure you stir it. Okay, while you have the pasta going and the chicken in the oven, go ahead and dice your or cut your vegetables any way you like. If you want to practice any of your cuts, you can do so there. You want to take off the ribs, you can. Don't necessarily have to. I'm going to go ahead and do a just like julienne strips on these, and then maybe do a nice little half moon on these. So what we'll do here is, this is kind of like a half julienne, or a half julienne. And again, just practice any of the cuts. If you want to do medium dice, small dice. Here you can do another, I would do a julienne. But do whatever you like. I like to break these down if I'm doing anything that's going to be like for a salad. So right in here. Flatten it out. Right in there. Zucchini, make sure you wash them. Again, I'll just go ahead, actually I'll just do half, just like this, and then we'll just slice them up. Add these in, so do any way you want. Okay, so the chicken is ready. You're going to go 165. Again, if you go over, that's okay. Better safe than sorry, but 165 is your minimum. Again, you guys can check it with your probe. And we'll go ahead and remove this, and we're going to put it in ice water. All right, so you get your chicken, replace it in some ice water. You need to chill it rapidly. Okay, you can also put it in the fridge, but again, this is really the fastest way of doing it. And we'll let that sit for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to do the same with the pasta. Grab some ice, and this is ready. Get a little water, actually put some water in it. And then you're just going to fish it out. You can use your strainer. Mix it in. Alright, for the dressing, you're going to need some orange juice. So again, you're just going to squeeze it in. Little lemon juice. Try to avoid the seeds if at all possible, and fish them out. sugar, about a teaspoon. You can use rice wine vinegar or red wine. Some Dijon mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. Just add a little. Black pepper. And then you can use, it says vegetable oil, which is fine, but you want to probably use like olive oil, or in here I have an avocado oil. Then you're going to go ahead and drain. Drain your pasta. You got your veggies. So you can add your pasta to this. Then you've got your dressing, and you're going to shake it up. I think we'll have some containers for you guys. And then you're going to add it in and mix it up. Let it rest a little. And then taste and adjust if needed. So you might have to add a little more salt and pepper. Let's see. It's good. We'll keep that chilled. Alright, now for the chicken, go ahead and dice your celery. Actually, let's go ahead and we'll set that aside. Now there's no cross-contamination here because we have cooked chicken. So add, again, practicing your cuts. Add some garlic. Add actually a little bit more. If you like a little more garlic, add more garlic. Then we're also going to add some more lemon. This is what brightens it up, makes it taste really good. So we'll add the lemon there. Then we're going to go ahead and dice the chicken. The chicken is chilled. And as you can see, it's cooked all the way through. That's what you're looking for. If you see any pink, then let's get it back into the oven. Make sure we cook it all the way through. But again, 165 is what you're looking for. It'll be nice and tender. Mix it up a little. We're gonna add some mayo to it. Of course, we want to add salt and pepper. Go light on the salt at first, and then you can adjust, or you can just do it at the very end. Just like that. Okay. We add the mayo to it. Another little trick is you can flip it around as long as your table is clean, and use the other side. So I happen to have cilantro here. Parsley, cilantro, doesn't matter. Fresh basil if you wanted to. And add it in. Mix it up. And you have your chicken salad. And then adjust with seasoning if necessary, so give it a taste. And it's good. All right, plating again. Any kind of sandwich, any kind of bread is fine. You can even put lettuce. Set it in there. And make it look plentiful. Give it some height. You're going to use you can use your scoop, your ice cream scoop, for this. And if you want to cut it, you can. Add your salad to your plate. Again, give it nice height. I'm going to move this out of the way. Just kind of get it there, and then we're going to cut this in half. And you have a nice, beautiful chicken salad with your rotini pasta. Enjoy.